All right, boys, so we've finished our pest control website. Let's assume that the quote's done, the copy's written, we've got the about page, the contact us page, we've got everything done. Now we're going to be doing the final tick off. So we're just going to be activating a couple plugins, making sure the form's working, and making sure we've got some SEO basic stuff set up. So let's jump straight in. So first up, let's go to the plugins and start ticking these things off. So first up, we should have Rank Map. This is an SEO plugin. Just hit activate. You can connect your account. Just using my Google account here, you should be able to do the same thing if you've got a Google account. Generally, we want to be using Google Chrome for all this stuff. We're going to be using Google to get leads, so we want to be using their Google browser. Sweet, so it's going to activate a free plan for the pest control website that we've got. Just hit easy, start wizard. We don't need to input any data because we're doing a fresh website. Okay, so Pest Texas Control is let's put other business website. And then generally, we're always going to be choosing local business. If you're working in the approved niches that I've recommended, like concrete, home improvement, pool cleaning, waterproofing, it's going to be local business. Of course, if you're doing a PT or someone else, what else we got? Animal shelter, automotive businesses. If you can see one that's more accurate as to what your client is around, then do that. But local business, that's going to be fine for now. Website name, you should just leave that as is. Should be the business name. If you're doing rank and rent, it's going to be the city and the niche, like Hamilton Concrete. Logo, make sure you've got the correct logo in there, and you just want to add a default sharing image. If it's a concrete website, then you can do concrete. If it's pest control, then we're just going to have this pest control image. Next up, hit save and continue. We're going to connect the Google services. This is just going to give us even more data. You don't have to do this, but I'd recommend just doing it anyway. Just select all. Actually, just skip this step. If you're an advanced user, then you can do that. But boom, that's all done. So return to dashboard. Essentially, what we've done is to set up some basic SEO. So what this is going to do is going to add the title there. We've got James Pest Control Texas. It's going to add some code to make the website easier to find by search engines. Anytime you're on Google and you see these things here, like the title and this description here, or these links here to other links, this is basically what this plugin is going to configure. So don't worry too much, just get it set up for now, and just know that it's a very basic SEO setup, all completed. Cool. Next plugin, go back to plugins. Next up, we're going to do a security plugin. So make sure you've got solid security basic. All you're going to do is hit activate here. This is just going to give us some basic built-in security. Okay, cool. Now we're just going to hit settings after we've activated it. Okay, what type of website is this? Just put brochure, enable security check pro. Yep, sweet. My own website, doesn't matter. Skip that, just press next. Hit next again, default user groups. Just hit next again, and then complete setup. So this is just going to give us some built-in protections. For example, if people are trying to brute force or try to really log into our website, trying to spam it, then it's going to block them out and stuff like that. I've used this for 7 years and I've never had a site get hacked, so use that. Cool, next one we're going to add one more before we jump onto the others that I haven't got. So go to click plugins and then search for WPS login. Then you're going to activate this one here. Okay, now I want you to go into the settings and get a pen down or save this down somewhere. Scroll down to the bottom and we're going to change the URL to something that a spammer or a hacker's not going to know. So for me, I'm just going to put chur. So this is going to be our new login URL, because every WordPress website generally has the login URL as the website name plus WP-admin. Okay, I guarantee if you go to 50% of the websites on the internet and put WP-admin next to it, you're going to be meted with this login gate. Sorry, it's going to look like this. Okay, this is the default WordPress login. So if a hacker can get access to this, they're just going to be hammering trying to log in. So if now that we've changed our login URL to chur, if someone tries to go to that WP admin page, they're going to get this. This page doesn't exist. So change it to whatever you want. Make sure it's you save it down and then hit save change. Cool. Next one, go back to plugins. What we're going to do next is activate WP Code Lite. Okay, just leave that for now. Next up, we're going to activate, go to plugins, hit add new, type in SMTP. Okay, and we're just going to install this WP Mail SMTP, hit activate. Just go back to the dashboard. Cool, and I want you to go to the settings page, which is where we are now. Scroll down to default. Okay. From email, what you can do is put your business email. For me, that's mike@theleadguy.online. From name, you can put your business name. For me, that's the lead guy. This way, anytime a form gets submitted on the website, it's going to come from this name. So our client's going to think that we're sending them all the leads, which we are. Okay, hit save. Now when you go to email log, go to scroll down to the left. 1 second. Okay, cool. Just hit the tools, then go to email test. And we're going to send a test email, see how it looks. Cool, so I've got a test email here, WP Mail. It's from the lead guy, and it's from mike@theleadguy.online. Make sure you do a test to yourself, and then the next thing we're going to do is fill out a form. Okay, so we're going to go to our form plugin, which you should be using Ninja Forms, or you might be using WP Forms. It doesn't matter too much. Most of you will be using WP Forms out of the box, which is fine. So let's use that for now. This will be the same for WordPress, for Ninja Forms. But let's suppose we're working on this form. This is the form that we've got on the website. Going to hit edit. Then you're going to go to the settings, and you're going to go to notifications, and you're going to put your email in there. We want to make sure that we get all of the email submissions from our client's website so we know how many leads they're getting and we can make business decisions based on that. Email subject line, we're going to go new pest control Texas lead from the lead guy, or you can put your business name there. From name, we're going to put in the smart tag. We're going to put the name of the person, their name. You can do the same thing in Ninja Forms. Reply to, we're going to put the client's email using the smart tag. So if they put in james@test.com, then that's what's going to show up in the email and the client's email inbox, so they can easily reply to it. And then in the email message, we're going to make sure we have all the fields in there. Okay, now we're going to hit save. A few quick things to check before you submit things. The submit button text, just put send message or get your free quote. If you've got a free quote form, you can put get your free quote. If you've got a inquire now form or a contact us form, it depends what you're saying in the form. If you're saying get a free quote, the button's going to say get my free quote. If you're saying contact us or inquire now, you're going to say send message. So I'm going to change that button text there. Cool, just going to refresh this page and we're going to send the test. So we need to ensure that our client gets the our test emails or our email submissions, otherwise they're not going to make money and then we can't charge them. Okay, message, hi there, I want a free quote. And then we're going to hit submit. Cool, we've now received that test inquiry from James Pest Control Texas website. hey there, I want a free quote from Michael Bell. So that's all done. So there we have it, all sorted. Got all the plugins set up. This website is ready to roll out. Next phase is going to be Google Ads and SEO, so we can get some guys to our client's new website and then start making some money. Any questions, drop me a DM.